Even he's gone to Kanka, encroached into Sholim. He's very cooperative, and to Delilah for being also very cooperative, and the members of the Parra Towers Association. Thank you very much.
Four-wheelers and a little bit beautification of this area. ये पार्किंग लॉट कित्याक केला आमी हांगासर इतली वर्सां जाली ह्यो सगल्यो कार ज्यो रोडाचे सायडीक लागताल्यो ते रोडार लागताल्यो and it was a problem. So this buildings which are coming on the main road, such type of parking arrangements has to be made all over. Not only I'm talking about Parra, Vella Kanka, where Milton Marquis is here, I think. तुमच्या वाटेन ते जोमा बिल्डिंगा कडेन बरे मोठे प्रॉब्लम आहाय. Though we have put a divider, people are still parking on the road. Why? Because we have not made a systematic parking for two-wheelers and four-wheelers, which we need to do now. Because Tingasur accident prone ya, and when cars are parked on the main road, it becomes very, very difficult for motorists to come to overtake or even pass by. So let us bring the required change right from Mapsa till Kalangut. Wherever there are compound walls built right on the road, we will request the owners to please shift it inside, because a lot of accidents take place. A work order will be issued one of these days. The work will start from this junction up to Nagwa Lingabat, that is the border of Parra. ये ब्युटिफिकेशन आमी कोत्ता अशी फुटपाथ येतली जी हिंगा फुटपाथ आहा पळय तीच फुटपाथ कंटिन्यू जातली चलपाक. Wherever it is possible, we'll put a divider, and beautification will include lights, lamps, benches to sit. Wherever it is possible, we'll plant some trees, coconut trees around after the road work gets complete. So we request all those people who are on the main road to cooperate with us. We assure you that no houses, no shops, nothing will be demolished, but we'll make it nice, like how Parra Tinto is there. We'll make it in that fashion.
आम्ही हांगा इनॉग्रेट करपाक येयल्यात the beautification of this Parra Tower Circle with new footpath and parking space. The costing of this is around 8 lakhs, out of which 4 lakhs is from Panchayat Fund, and the next 4 lakhs are being sponsored by our minister. So we thank him for the work. In a special way, I would like to thank our Robert JE for taking special interest in this work, and I thank the officials of आमचे president and secretary and the treasurer of this Parra Tower building for giving us permission to do this beautification.